Well, EPA is fighting really hard to avoid getting in the way of the Department of Health and Human Services national program for water fluoridation. They want to play the good federal soldier. And they don't want to take the political heat that would certainly come down on them if they came out and said, the appropriate standard for fluoride is considerably less than 1 part per million. It would, if EPA did that, that would be the end of the national program for water fluoridation, because you couldn't have the premier environmental agency saying one thing and the Department of Health and Human Services saying something else. Instead, what you got was EPA coming up with this phony 4 parts per million level, the so-called maximum contaminant level goal, as it's now called, as a health-based standard. And so now the proponents of water fluoridation since 1985-86 have been able to go around the country saying, well, look, EPA says 4 parts per million is perfectly safe. There's not a problem with that. So what's the big deal by putting, adjusting your level to 1 part per million? And so EPA is staying on the good side of the federal structure by doing that kind of thing.